The practice we have of first recognizing the view, training in the meditation, acting out of this view as the conduct, and realizing the view fully as fruition, these are like the special chemicals that clean dirt from gold. In other words, view, meditation, and conduct remove our confusion. To lose the view and the conduct means to always be involved in accepting and rejecting, to entertain notions of something that needs to be attained and something that needs to be left behind. On the other hand, to lose the conduct and the view means to think that there is nothing to accept or reject, that whatever you do does not matter, and that there is no good and no evil. That is an even greater mistake. One's behavior has to be in harmony with worldly standards. However, Dharma mixed with worldly work is not the perfect Dharma, I'm sorry to say. Dharma and worldly aims are a contradiction, so keep those two things separate and distinct in your mind. In short, you need to distinguish between view and conduct. The view is free from hope and fear. The conduct is with hope and fear.